Huepar 6 Power Mini Chainsaw. Highly efficient cutting. One-handed operation. Long life. Strong power. Wear gloves. 1. Install protective border. The screwdriver can adjust the pin position properly. 3. Install the guide plate and chain. Four. Put in cover plate and nut without tightening. 5. Adjust the tightness of chains. 6. Tighten the cover plate and nut. 7. Insert splash shield. 8. Install the battery. The installation is complete. Please read thoroughly and comply with the safety instructions and user manual before using this product.